We'll guide you through how to log into ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website by typing in chatgpt.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to log in on the top right corner. Click on the login button. You'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your ChatGPT account. If you don't have an account yet, there should be a link to sign up for a new one right there. After entering your credentials, click the login button. If it's your first time logging in from this device, you might be prompted to verify your identity. You can do this by entering a code sent to your email or phone, depending on your account settings. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the email right away. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to enter the code from your authentication app. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the ChatGPT dashboard, where you can start chatting. If you encounter any issues logging in, try resetting your password by clicking on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions provided. It's also a good idea to clear your browser cache or try a different browser if you're having trouble. And that's it. You're now ready to explore all the features ChatGPT has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.